Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a really simple way how you can enable double opt-in for your form settings. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click on audience and then just click here on view contacts. When you're going to do it, you want to click here on settings. In settings, you're going to see audience name and defaults. And right here, you're going to see form settings, and you just want to click here enable double opt-in. Also, by this, you're gonna enable reCAPTCHA, but you don't have to have it. So yeah, this is pretty much it. And this is how we do it. So you go and get into settings, audience name and defaults, and enable double opt-in. Also, you get like GDPR field here. And yeah. Have a great day, everybody, and goodbye.